Ever wish you could jump out of bed feeling loose and ready? Imagine waking up without that familiar stiffness, without those morning aches that seem to creep in overnight. No creaks, no groans. Today, I'm about to show you a 3-minute hack that'll keep your joints young and your morning sharp. This isn't about intense exercise or complicated routines. It's a simple, quick way to lubricate your joints and kickstart your day with energy and vitality. If you're stiff in the morning, that's not age, it's inactivity. Our bodies are designed for movement, and when we spend too much time sitting, our joints suffer. Here's a 3-minute mobility flow to reboot your joints and get you moving freely again. As we age or just sit too much, synovial fluid in your joints thickens. Think of it like oil in a car engine. It needs to be the right consistency to work effectively. That's the lubricant that keeps your joints gliding smoothly. No movement means no circulation, and that leads to early stiffness and joint pain. When you're not moving, the fluid doesn't circulate, nutrients don't get delivered, and waste products don't get cleared away. But there's a fix. Just 3 minutes of light movement in the morning increases joint viscosity, thins out that fluid, stimulates blood flow, delivering essential nutrients to your joints, and activates your nervous system, waking up your body and mind. Think of it like charging your body's hardware before the day even begins. It's a quick and easy way to optimize your physical performance and mental clarity for the hours ahead. You don't need a gym. You don't even need equipment. This isn't about a strenuous workout. Just follow this 3-minute mobility flow, right next to your bed. It's so convenient you can do it before you even make your coffee. I do this in my pajamas, and honestly, it's a game changer. It sets the tone for the entire day, making me feel more energized, flexible, and ready to tackle whatever comes my way. So here's what you unlock with just 3 minutes a day. It's a small investment of time that yields significant returns in terms of your physical and mental well-being. Less stiffness, better posture, more energy, and long-term joint health. You're not just addressing immediate discomfort. You're investing in your future mobility and overall quality of life. Imagine walking, stretching, or just moving through your day without that nagging ache. Think about how much more you could enjoy your favorite activities if you weren't limited by joint pain and stiffness. It's possible. Here's the flow. Do each of these moves for about 30 seconds. Focus on gentle, controlled movements, paying attention to how your body feels. Neck rolls, arm swings, torso twists, hip circles, knee raises, ankle rolls. No fancy moves, just simple, natural motions. These are movements your body already knows how to do. That's your daily joint reset. 3 minutes, zero equipment, massive long-term results. It's a small habit that can make a huge difference in how you feel and function every day. If you want more micro hacks to keep your body and brain young every single day, subscribe to Biovate. We're dedicated to providing you with simple, actionable strategies to optimize your health and well-being. Keep moving, stay young, and start every morning recharged.